My name is Pep Guardiola. I'm a Catalan. I'm a football coach and former player. You can look me up on Wikipedia. It has also been said that I was one of all-time top-rated midfielders at FC Barcelona, that I played 47 times for Spain's national team and I was the captain of the Catalan national team for many years, that I coached in Barcelona for 4 years, that in my first season my team won an historic treble, the Spanish Cup, the Spanish League and UEFA Champions League, and that in the following season we won the Spanish Super Cup, the European Super Cup and the Clubs World Cup. That in 4 years I have won 14 titles, that I've been awarded with the Medal of Honor of the Parliament of Catalonia for my success as a coach and for the way I've passed on values such as sportsmanship, teamwork, effort and self-improvement. This is what Wikipedia says. I'm just a football coach.